start with chain. We are going to take around 35 chains to start or begin our mug cover. So this is an estimated mug cover I am making. So you can even measure it on the mug or cup that you want to make with. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to take almost 32 to 35 chains. Chains. Now we are going to put half double crochet in every stitch. We will complete this row, and then I will tell you that how you are going to turn your project or your row. Now we are going to finish this row with half double crochet in last 2 stitches. To turn the project, I have to take 1 chain, turn the project, now we have these stitches. If you can see, these are the stitches. Now we are going to put in every stitch. After taking 1 chain, we have to put half double crochet in every stitch. So this 1 chain is going to be considered as the first stitch, so we are going to skip this very start. So in this way we are going to be straight and our edges are very straight. So this is how we have to turn every time. Half double crochet, half double crochet, next step, and we have to continue till all the 35 chains that we have taken, or 35 stitches, half double crochet. So we have completed the rows. Let me count how many rows we have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 10 rows, that is enough for this type of mug. I will just place it on the mug so you can know or see that how much area it's covering. So you can make it 6 or 7 rows as well if you are making for the smaller mug, or 5 rows. So depending on the material you are making for. So after that, I have taken, as I reach to the point, I have just done 15 chains, and I will start from this point and I will close this chain area on the other side of the corner like this. So this is going to wrap around the handle. I will tell you how we are going to do that. Before that, let me just do the second side of the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 we have done, and I'm going to put it on the other side of the corner and just slip stitch and stretch the yarn, because we are going to sew it properly, so the sides are properly in shape or control. So you can see they are a little bit longer than the actual side. So now I will tell you how we are going to place it on the mug. So this is the way we are going to place. Stretch little bit and wrap around the handle. Stretch little bit and wrap around the handle. So you can see both of the sides are actually wrapped around the handle and they have now properly fixed on the mug or the cup. Now let me just finish it and we will start making the eyes for the Spiderman. The base is complete. Now we have to make the eye, the Spiderman eye. So it's going to be placed in the center at one position, at this position, and the other will be on the other side, opposite position. So let's make the eye for crocheted Spiderman mug cover. So we are going to start again with 3.5 mm crochet hook number, and we will take almost 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after taking one more chain, we will start crocheting our half double crochet from the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One chain, turn the project. In every row we are going to decrease one time. So half double crochet 1. Now we are going to decrease from the center. In decrease we have to take out from 2 and we will keep 2 loops on the crochet hook, and then we are going to take directly from the next stitch and directly take out from all 3 loops. So we have just created 2 stitches as one. Now we will be having 4 stitches in this row. One, 2, 3, 4. One chain, turn your project. Again we will decrease one time in the same pattern. One chain, turn. Now this is the last row we are doing, and we will simply make last 2 stitches as one. So it's kind of a eye drop, a water drop you can say. The shape is like a drop. So after cutting the thread we will finish it, and then we will make the black border for the same eye. From any of the corner we have to start making the border, and for the border I am going to use the smaller crochet hook number, that is 2.5. So we will start from one corner with one chain. We simply have to take single crochet all around the eye. Okay, one thing more, I will make my corners as a corner, and I always say that we have to make 2 stitches in corner so it will maintain like a corner. Again we are at the corner and we have to make 2 stitches. And here we go for the last stitch, and we will make 2 stitches at this corner as well. So the crocheted Spiderman eye is ready. As I'm going to paste it on the mug cover, so I'm going to give small knots and I will cut the thread. So the series is done with 2 tutorials. One is for crochet coaster and the other is for the mug cover. I have just shown you how you are going to measure the mug and how to make the eyes, and the best thing is that it will not only look good but also give a theme of a character which is most favorite character for many of us. So to give this beautiful theme, here we go, the web from at the very side and the mug. So this is the beautiful thing we have just created for the ones who are very much into the beauty of the characters of all superheroes, and this will also make us proud that we are part of the superheroes creations. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned, you will make it for yourself, and this is how this beautiful creation is done. So see you next time, see you in my next tutorial. Stay tuned. Bye.